What is this brush for? What is this brush for? How do I apply this? How do I use this? Hi everyone, and I am back. And I'm going to introduce you to some essential brushes. I don't say these brushes are basic brushes, but in my opinion, these brushes are essential brushes. If you are a newbie or a beginner at makeup, or if you're already using makeup but you haven't got hang of makeup brushes, so this one's for you. So firstly, I want to give you this message that it's alright if you don't know how to use makeup brushes, or you use makeup brushes which are not very expensive, or like you don't use Sigma or Real Techniques. That's completely alright. It's also alright if you want to use your fingers. So to start with, makeup brushes are of two types. First one, which is made up of natural hair. It can be goat's hair, horse hair, those kind of things. And like this one is made up of natural hair. So the brush which is made up of natural hair, it is used to apply any sort of powder cosmetics. So it can be your blush or your basic powder, compact, those kind of things, any sort of powder cosmetic. Second type of brushes is the one which is made up of nylon. So this brush is made up of nylon, and a nylon brush is used to apply any sort of liquid makeup. It could be your foundation, liquid foundation, or concealers, so any sort of makeup in the liquid form. So first one is a foundation brush. Firstly, let me tell you that you can apply your foundation or any makeup with your fingers, but what happens when you apply foundation especially, or any other cosmetics with your fingers? A lot of product gets wasted. I mean, even I used to apply foundation with my fingers for a really long time, and every time I used to apply foundation, I mean, the quantity that's on my face, almost the same quantity used to be on my fingers, and I used to see, oh my god, so much of product is getting wasted. I used to apply it here and apply it here. Sometimes to just didn't want to get my expensive foundation get wasted. I used to just apply just on the neck, but still a lot of foundation, it doesn't come off, and you just have no other option but to wash it off, and your cosmetics get wasted. So this is a flat foundation brush. It is a classic foundation brush. I mean, these days you have stippling brush and this brush and that brush, but this is the classic brush to apply your foundation, liquid foundations. So it's always with this flat kind of brush, is always advised to use it this way, downwards. Next is a powder brush. A powder brush is a fluffy brush like this, and the more fluffy it is, the better. Next is a blush brush. Well, this is a slight fluffy and slight flat blush brush, but there are different blush brushes, but with whatever suits your face or whatever you feel comfortable, you can use that. Next is a fan brush. Well, I find this brush quite essential because it is a multi-purpose brush. Firstly, you can use this brush to set your makeup. Like, you just, if you want little bit of powder, you just have to tap it like this. Or you want to set your foundation, just put it this way. Take the powder, put it this way. And suppose if you want to add little bit of color, then you can use it this way. I have seen a lot of people using this brush to apply highlighter on your cheeks, because you need a highlighter in very small quantity. So if you use any other brush, you get a lot of highlighter on your cheeks, and then you have to blend it. So this kind of brush, which is very light, you just have to take a little bit of like suppose you're using a powder highlighter, just pat it and just go this way. You get your highlighter very nicely. And also, the primary use of this brush is to swipe any kind of fallout. So if you apply your eyeshadow and you get a sort of fallouts, so you can just swipe it off, just wipe it off, I need to say, just wipe. Next is a concealer brush. A concealer brush is completely flat like this. It is completely flat, and it serves the purpose of dabbing your concealer. So with your fingers you must be dabbing it like this. So similarly with this concealer brush, after putting your dots of concealer, you can just dab it like this, or anywhere, wherever you want to. Coming to eyeshadow brushes, eye brushes, number one is this eyeshadow brush to apply your eyeshadow, and second is a blending. And I love this brush, and it's okay if you use your fingers, but it is very essential to have this brush, because what this brush does, your fingers can never do this. Firstly, it helps to blend your eyeshadow like this, right? Secondly, you can use this to set your concealer. So you can take your powder and you can just apply it here this way. Another brush that is very essential is this brush with the comb. So this side that you see, you have the bristles, and this side you have the comb. The bristles are used to groom your eyebrows. Now this comb side is good for getting the perfect mascara. I use it before and after mascara. So before applying mascara, I'll just comb my lashes like this, and then what happens is any kind of entangled lashes, they get nicely separated, and then you can apply your mascara. And then when the mascara is wet, and if you see any lumps on the eyelashes, you can just comb it. So these were some of the essential brushes in my opinion. So if you are a beginner, then it's good to invest into a mid-range set of brushes. Like the one that I used in this video was a new set that I got recently, so I just thought of showing it to you because the condition was intact the way that you see in the shop. So I just thought of showing you a brand new set instead of a used ones. So I used this ones from Oriflame. Oriflame is quite reasonably priced, and the quality is, in terms of the price, is very good, and it's very easily available. Like and comment this video if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends who have just started using makeup, or if you think this video will help your friends, please do share it with them, because even if one person gets benefited from this video, I will be really happy that my hard work has paid off. And until next time, stay happy, stay beautiful, because life is beautiful.